Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudeep Mondal. I am working as an assistant professor in Vignan University. I have joined here in 2019. So up to now, you have some idea about the chemistry division in this university. To know more about this, let's hear from Professor N. Srinivasu, the HOD of the Department of Sciences and Humanities.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మన విజ్ఞాన్ యూనివర్సిటీలో ఈ సంవత్సరము ఎంఎస్సి కెమిస్ట్రీ, ఎంఏ ఇంగ్లీషు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఎంఎస్సి కెమిస్ట్రీ స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటంటే బయట ఉన్న పీజీ సెంటర్స్లో కానీ బయట ఉన్న యూనివర్సిటీస్లో కానీ డాక్టరేట్స్ అనేది ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు, ఏ రకమైన ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, మీరు వీలైతే కాలేజీ విజిట్స్ అయ్యి అక్కడ ఉన్న ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఫెసిలిటీస్ కంపేర్ చేసుకుని తర్వాత మీరు అడ్మిషన్ తీసుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. ఈ కంపారిజన్ ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నామంటే ఇక్కడ మా దగ్గర పనిచేసే అధ్యాపకుల్లో ఒక 25% ఐఐటీస్ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు, ఒక 20% ఎన్ఐటీస్ వీటి నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు, ఒక 30% ఆల్మోస్ట్ సెంట్రల్ యూనివర్సిటీ నుంచి, వీళ్ళు పరిశోధనలో విదేశాలలో పోస్ట్ డాక్టరల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్తో వచ్చి చేరి మా దగ్గర ఫ్యాకల్టీగా చేస్తున్నారు. కాబట్టి ఈ పిల్లలు తర్వాత ఎంఎస్సీ అయిన తర్వాత బయటికి వెళ్ళి వేరే విదేశాలలో కూడా రీసెర్చ్ వర్క్ ఏదైనా చేయాలని అనిపిస్తే ఇలా గైడెన్స్తో చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది. అలాగే మా దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి పరిశ్రమలో కెమికల్ ఫార్మా కంపెనీల్లో పనిచేసే వాళ్ళు మా దగ్గర పార్ట్ టైం స్కాలర్స్గా ఉండటం వల్ల పార్ట్ టైంలో ఇండస్ట్రీకి ఏం కావాలి ఫ్యూచర్లో అలాంటి వాటిని కూడా మేము ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసి కోర్సులో వాళ్ళకి ట్రైన్ చేసి ఎంఎస్సి కెమిస్ట్రీతో పాటు వాళ్ళ ఇండస్ట్రీకి బాగా ఉపయోగపడేది తయారు చేసి పంపిస్తున్నాం. ఎందుకంటే మేము కూడా ఈ కోర్సుని ఇండస్ట్రియల్గా వీళ్ళందరికీ జాబులు ఇప్పించాలనే బాధ్యతతో మేము తీసుకుని ఈ సంవత్సరం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. కాబట్టి మీ అందరి సహకారం, విజ్ఞానం అంటే మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే, రాష్ట్రంలో తెలంగాణలో కానీ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో కానీ తెలియని వాళ్ళు లేరు. ఇది మన యొక్క యూనిక్ కోర్సు. ఇది బయట వాళ్ళకి మనకి అది తేడా. మేము చేసేది ఏంటంటే బయట మీరు ఏదైనా కాలేజీలోకి వెళ్ళి చూస్తే ఎంతమంది డాక్టరేట్లు ఉన్నారు, ఏ విధంగా ఉంది టీచింగు, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది ఏంటి, ఈ అన్నీ కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే మన వాళ్ళు బెనిఫిట్గా పిల్లలకు బాగా వాళ్ళకి బెనిఫిట్ జరుగుతుందనే ఉద్దేశంతో చెప్తున్నామండి. మీరు బయట కూడా ఆలోచించుకోండి. ఈ మన దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి, మా దగ్గర ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఏమున్నాయంటే సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ చాలా ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. 3 కోట్లు పెట్టి మా మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు ఈ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మన దగ్గర. ఈ పిల్లలు తర్వాత ఏదన్నా రీసెర్చ్ ఆ ఎక్కువ బట్టి యొక్క ఎలా ఆపరేట్ చేస్తారు వాటి గురించి కూడా మన దగ్గర వర్క్షాపు ఇలాంటివి చేపిస్తాం. కాబట్టి వీళ్ళు ఎక్స్పోజ్ అవుతారు. దీన్ని ఇట్లాంటి వాళ్ళు పరిశ్రమల్లో ఇట్లాంటి వాళ్ళే కావాలి వాళ్ళకి. అవన్నీ మేము ఇక్కడ ట్రైన్ చేసి పంపిస్తున్నాం. కాబట్టి ఇండస్ట్రీ వాళ్ళు ఆటోమేటిక్గా రిక్రూట్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఫ్యూచర్లో ఎటువంటి ఇబ్బంది లేకుండా వాళ్ళు కంఫర్ట్గా పరిశ్రమల్లో పనిచేయడానికి అనుకూలంగా ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి మీరు ఆలోచించండి, ఒకటికి 2 సార్లు ఆలోచించండి. ఇలాంటి ట్రైనింగ్ అనేది మన దగ్గర మేము ఈ సంవత్సరం స్టార్ట్ చేసినా కూడా ఆ రకంగా అంటే కొంతమందిని ఏమైనా పారిశ్రామిక రంగంగా, కొంతమందిని ఏమైనా వేరే విదేశాల్లోకి వెళ్ళి రీసెర్చ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకునే వాళ్ళకి ఐఐసిటి తర్వాత ఇట్లా సెంట్రల్ ల్యాబొరేటరీస్లోకి వెళ్ళదలుచుకుంటే అలా, తర్వాత వీలైతే నెట్ కోచింగ్ కూడా రెడీ చేసి నెట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ కూడా ట్రైనింగ్ చేసుకుని చేయాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మేము ఈ కోర్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేసాము. మీరందరూ మీకోసం స్టూడెంట్స్ విద్యార్థుల కోసం మేము ఎదురు చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. మీరు చూడండి, వచ్చిన తర్వాత 100% జాబ్ గ్యారంటీ అనేది చేయగలుగుతున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So if you are still unsure about the program, I hope the following brief message from Professor Koya Prabhakar Rao, the head of the division, chemistry division, will surely help you.
Myself, Dr. K. Prabhakar Rao, a professor and head of chemistry division. We are starting this MS program under my leadership. First, let me introduce myself. As I said, I am Dr. K. Prabhakar Rao, completed my PhD from IIT Madras in the year 2005. From there, I moved to Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research as a postdoctoral fellow with Bharat Ratna Award, Professor Srinath. I worked with him 2 years, and meanwhile I got Global Center of Excellence Fellowship and moved to the University of Tokyo, which is world 22nd rank. There I worked almost 3.5 years as a Global Center of Excellence Fellowship. From there I moved to other part of Japan, that is the University of Kyoto, which is also world 33rd rank currently. There also I worked on various projects which are mostly hydrogen storage materials and metal organic frameworks and so on. From there I directly joined in a Vijnan University in the year 2013. Since 2013 I have been working various positions, initially as assistant professor, later on associate professor. Last year I became a professor and head of chemistry division also. I have totally 44 publications of international reputed journals, and I completed one DST project of worth 25 lakhs. Currently, recently, I got 52 lakhs of project from Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Under my guidance, 2 PhD has been awarded and 5 PhDs are undergoing on. And I'm sure that with this expenditure, we can guide all our MSc students to a proper career growth. On our department and chemistry division, we have totally 22 faculty are there. Most of them are doctorates from various prestigious institutes like IITs, central universities, and some of them they got PhDs from abroad also. And moreover, we have very good equipments, various research centers, research labs, and practical labs, also very good practical labs. We have very good library. We are sure that whatever we are taking the MSc students, we can give very good jobs to them, or maybe somebody interested to go to the foreign also, we can guide them through the GRE or TOEFL. And some of them are interested to go to the PhD program at IITs and the IICRs. We also plan to guide them towards the CSR net or UGC net. We hope that we are going to start this MS program with very good reputation of our faculty. We are confident that we can able to achieve our goals. So we are all welcoming you to come and join our Vijnan University. Thank you.
Following these messages by both faculty members, specifically highlighted the strength of the division and the uniqueness of the program, emphasizing on the employment opportunities after the completion of the course. So wouldn't it be great if you could also have a glimpse of the instrumental facility at our Center of Excellence? So you may have, or you may also get some hands-on experience, some practical experience on some of this instrument in future. So with that thought, let's have a quick tour of the place. So I do hope that the information is good enough to convey the message that it is going to be a very exciting opportunity for you if you plan to enroll MSc program. So we, the faculty members, are also very excited to have you all over here. And just to reiterate that fact, here are some video messages from our faculty members.
Everyone, myself Dr. Sirisha Malladi, Associate Professor in Vignan's Foundation for Science, Technology and Research. I have joined in this institute in the year of 2005. Coming to my educational qualifications, I completed my MSc and BSc both from JMJ College for Women Tenali, which is affiliated to Acharya Nagarjuna University, and I completed my MPhil in Periyar University. I received my PhD degree from JNTU, Anandpur, and my research areas are natural products and organic synthesis, especially synthesis of heterocyclic compounds. I welcome you all to this most beautiful campus and a very good learning place. Looking forward for you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me give you a brief introduction of me. I am Dr. Sudeep Mandal, working as an assistant professor of chemistry in the Department of Sciences and Humanities. So I have joined here in 2019. So before that I did my BSc in chemistry at Calcutta University. Then I have done my masters at IIT Hyderabad. Then I moved for PhD program at IIT Madras. My research area is on the topic called electrochemistry, and specifically I have worked on dye-sensitive solar cells, and also I have experienced on computational chemistry, specifically on some dye molecules and all. So I have published several publications in reputed journals. Currently I am having H index is 9. So regarding this MSc program, I am very much excited and frankly can't wait to see you all. And in my class, I'll be seeing you in near future.
Good morning, I'm Dr. Sheikh Anwar, working as Associate Professor in Division of Chemistry, Department of Science and Humanities at Vignan Foundation for Science, Technology and Research. I've done my MSc and PhD from University of Hyderabad, Telangana State, and after a brief postdoctoral experience at National Taiwan Normal University, Taiwan, I've joined Vignan in the year 2013. My area of specialization is synthesis of spirocycles and heterocyclic compounds using various organocatalysts. And in line with this, the Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, SCRB, has funded a project of worth 28 lakhs, and this project involves synthesis of dihydroazopyrimidine derivatives for possible utilization against Alzheimer's disease treatment. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shubhalakshmi Sengupta of the Division of Chemistry, Department of Science and Humanities at VFSTR. Let me introduce myself to you all. I am basically from environmental science background. I did my bachelor's, master's and PhD from University of Calcutta in West Bengal. And after that, I did my postdoc at Jadavpur University under the DS Kothari postdoctoral fellowship scheme. I have joined this university for over a year, and currently I am teaching environmental sciences, and my specialization is in environmental chemistry, specifically in polymer composites, biodegradation of polymers. And currently I am also running a project sanctioned by the DST, Government of India, which deals with polymer biodegradation of marine plastic litter. Post-graduation program in chemistry is unique in its sense, which is focused solely on the employability of the students after they pass out from here. And we all, the faculties here, are eagerly waiting to welcome you all.
Hi. The learning is tremendous, but the outcome is fruitful. Am I right? Yeah. With this introduction, I would like to introduce myself. This is Dr. V. Srinivasa Desikan, Associate Professor in Chemistry Division, Department of Sciences and Humanities, and Associate Dean IQAC at Vignyan University. I have completed my UG and PG at Kandaswamy Control College in Tamil Nadu, Master of Philosophy in Bharatidasan University, Tiruchirappalli. And then later I joined as a scientist and project coordinator at Jubilant Biosis, Bangalore. I worked there for 3 years. Then I moved to Taiwan for my PhD, that is higher studies. I have completed my PhD in National Chung Cheng University, Chiayi, Taiwan. Later, I moved for my postdoc at National Chiao Tung University, Hsinchu, Taiwan. I have completed my postdoc in the year of 2015. Later, I moved to India and worked for Tech Mahindra for 1 year as lead analyst. Then I moved to Vinyan University. This is with this introduction, I'm really welcoming and I'm really excited to see you in my class in the theoretical chemistry portion, because my research field is theoretical chemistry and using various software, which is very much essential and useful now for the drug discovery process, and also other material processing, which is very important, that is called various software applications like Gaussian, Vienna ab initio simulation package, Autodoc, Schrodinger, and so on. Number of software packages we are using to know about the properties of the molecules, to find out the new molecules for various applications. Okay, see you soon in my class. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anandlu Goswami. I did my BSc in chemistry from Presidency College, Calcutta, West Bengal, and MSc from IIT Kanpur. After that, I went abroad to obtain my PhD from Cornell University, USA. And after a few postdoctoral stints in USA and Europe, I joined VFSTR in 2016. My research areas involve various applications of nanomaterials catalysis and organic chemistry, as well as some adsorption and drug delivery studies. I have several publications in high reputed journals like JACS, Anglichem, Nature Chemistry, etc. and presently have an H index of 20. Regarding our MSc program, I'm very excited and frankly can't wait to see you guys in my class in near future. Wish you all the best. I hope you do join us and we'll have an exciting journey in future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Chandrasekhar from Division of Chemistry, VFSTR. I'm working here since 2016. I did my Masters in Anna University, Applied Chemistry, and after that I did my MPhil research work in Presidency College, Chennai, under University of Madras. After my MPhil, I did my PhD in a CSIR institute, Central Leather Research Institute, and I took my PhD degree from University of Madras. After my PhD, I pursued my postdoctoral research work in different institutes in Europe, especially in France and in Belgium. After my postdoctoral experience, I have a few years of industrial experience, right? And my research area is majorly on polymers, and this area got widened up with time, and now I am currently working on smart materials, which primarily includes self-healing and supramolecular chemistry, and I also work on polymeric surfactants, polymeric nanocomposites, and few drug delivery systems. Coming to the introduced MSc course, this course has quite interesting elective subjects, and the subject is chosen in such a way the student can have few experience in industrially relevant subjects, and I assure you that the student who is going to take this course will be competitive enough to compete in different competitive exams as well as to pursue research in future. So with this, we wholeheartedly welcome you to join our course, and we are eagerly looking forward for your admissions, and thank you for the time.
In short, the outcome-based contemporary education motivated an expert faculty member, state-of-the-art instrumental facility, merit-based scholarship system, interdisciplinary research, summer internship, training on communication skills and computer applications, and last but not the least, the exciting job opportunity make this particular MSc program unique and exclusive in comparison to any other related programs that are around here. We would sincerely like you to be a part of this exciting journey. If you have queries regarding admission procedure, fee structure, or related topics, please feel free to contact Professor Koya Prabhakar Rao and Professor N. Satyasree. The contact numbers and email IDs are given in the next slides, and also we have attached the program brochure for this in the description. So we sincerely hope to see you all in near future.